and every year we do like this only. So our singers from Bingong Sports and Cultural Club and Shillong Tagore Care will present a few songs. The first one is the birthday song of Rabindranath. Come here. Namaskar. Now our Shillong Tagore Choir will present few Ramdas Sangeet. I would like to tell few history of Rabindranath Tagore's visit in Shillong, Brookside. Tagore came first time and set his foot on 11th October 1990, and he stayed here for 3 weeks. On 31st October, he left for Guwahati. Then he went to Sylhet. Then he went to Agartala, Tripura, and then he went back to Shantiniketan on 13th November 1990. Before coming, he left his knighthood in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. in Amritsar, Punjab. Tagore was very upset, but he could not continue that thing, the upset. He always told everybody that if war is there, is everything destroyed, but you don't stop your show. Show must go on. Today we are facing war in our land, but we have to continue our show. Do we continue? And Tagore wrote here, Ekti Din and Ekti Chauni, one day and a glance. And he translated over in this house many of his translation works for his next visit to China. But after that it was cancelled, China visit. And Tagore, he recited over in this land his Puraton Britto, old servant. And there are many Bengali people, they used to visit Tagore over this Brookside. And it is we are honored that 1989, state government of Meghalaya purchased this land from the owner of Kolkata, the actual owner was K.C. Dev, and his son was from his descendants, in September 1989, state government of Meghalaya, they purchased this land to open a Tagore Cultural Center. Now it is going to be happen. You all know, last year it was done by the Honorable Minister of Arts and Culture, Paul Lindo, and others. And this house was renovated. It was completely destroying. It was broken, and it was almost to be broken. And during 2000, you please don't talk. Excuse me, please don't talk. And during 2006 and 7, I have even letters to the director and everybody, minister, governor, everybody, to renovate the house. It was renovated and opened on 21st October 2013 during Honorable late Presidency Pranab Mukherjee's visit to this house. We all were there, and during 2011, big festival, Tagore Festival, during 150th birth anniversary of Tagore, was initiated by Nilbang Post and Cultural Club and ICCR, Arts and Culture, everybody. After that, now man has said it is opened as Rabindranath Tagore Art Gallery. And Tagore, we salute and we love and we respect our Tagore very much. We want to save this house as a heritage house, and we want a Rabindra Bhavan that to be installed in that auditorium, temporary assembly. So I am concluding my speech, small speech on this history of this Brookside. After that, we will see many things man is there. Now we will start our songs.
তারা বিশ্ব ভরা পাহাড়ি মাঝখানে আমি পেয়েছি মোর স্থান বিশ্বরে তাই জাগে জাগে আমার গান আকাশ ভরা অসীম কালে জেহিলোলে জোয়ার ভাটা ভুবন দোলে নাড়িতে মোর রক্তধারা লেগেছে তার নাম ঈশ্বরে তাই জাগে জাগে আমার প্রাণ আকাশ ভরা ঘাসে ঘাসে পা ফেলেছি বনের পথে যেতে ফুলের গন্ধে চমক লেগে উঠেছে মোর হৃদে ছড়িয়ে আছে আনন্দেরই গান ঈশ্বরে তাই জাগে জাগে আমার গান কান পেতেছি চোখ মেলেছি ধরার বুকে প্রাণ ঢেলেছি জানার মাঝে অজানা রে করেছি সন্ধান বিশ্বরে তাই জাগে জাগে আমার প্রাণ আকাশ ভরা রৌদ্র ছায়া লুকোচুরি খেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা আজ ধানের খেতে রৌদ্র ছায়া লুকোচুরি খেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা নীল আকাশে কে ভাসাছে সারা মেঘের মেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা আজ ধানের খেতে রৌদ্র ছায়া লুকোচুরি খেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা আজ কোমর বলে মধু খেতে উড়ে বেড়ায় আলোয় আজ কিসের তরে নদীর চরে কিসের তরে নদীর চরে জমা চোখের খেলা নীল আকাশে কে ভাসাছে সারা মেঘে খেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা আজ ধানের খেতে রৌদ্র ছায়া লুকোচুরি খেলা রে ভাই লুকোচুরি খেলা
thank you, the singers, for your sweet songs, befitting for the occasion. Now, I request our respected Director Madam, Srimati I. Madhav, MCS, Government of Meghalaya, Department of Art and Culture, to speak a few words. Hey, they can take out.
A very good morning.
Give the microphone.
No, no, no.
Nah,
It's not working.
current is not there.
A very good morning to each one of you. The president of the Reform Sports and Cultural Club, led by the team, Miss Malabika and her friends, all ladies and gentlemen who are gathered here. We understand there is a power cut, but then I think this is what is just befitting for a tribute to our beloved Rabindranath Tagore ji. It is a pleasure for me to come here to listen to your songs, to go through the library, to see it is your love, your devotion, your dedication that has brought us together like this. And the weather also agrees, because had it rained, probably the outside function would not be able to take place. I thank you for inviting me. In fact, listening to your songs, although I don't understand, but then there's a certain peace, a certain calmness about this day. And thank you for making me a part of this year's celebration. Like what Ms. Rita Ghosh had said, we have, I mean, we have to look at our country at this time when there's turmoil on the borders. We have to remember there are many families who are holding their hands in prayer, kneeling down and praying for their warriors who are going for war. And especially now that you've seen there's also airports being shut down, people, not knowing what will happen next. But then we have to know of one thing, that we can support them. We cannot go there, but we support them in our prayers, right? So, with that, I don't want to take much of your time. I also have a video conference with our Meghalayan Age officials, because we have to embark on one trip outside. So, having said that, we still have a program in the evening at 4 o'clock. We also have the children coming at 10 o'clock. So I hope and I wish the celebration a grand success. Okay. What we would like to see from you is photographs, these pictures that you can share with me. We will put it up in the Instagram page and let people, our children, our school students know what is today about. Okay. Y'all are just small. I know. Brookside means what? A brook is what? When you talk about a brook, it's not a river, it's not a stream, it's a brook. But from a brook, like from here, let the message be clear that your love, your dedication, your sincerity in making this day a success will go out to the students, and they will know what today is about. We have senior citizens who are here. I was admiring you playing the tabla so well. It's the love. Okay, so let that bind us together, because it's very easy to tear apart, but very difficult to come together. So this is a message to everybody. Music is it's the music, the language. There's no barrier. Music is music, right? The poems that after all, now with artificial intelligence, we can translate. Okay, we just attended one workshop, Bhashini, which is by this thing, information technology department, IT department. They have conducted where we can get on the phone translation. But music, you don't need to know language. Music is music. So I thank you for I'm sure the ladies must have practiced also. It's not that you just come here and sing. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for making me a part of today, this year's celebration. I wish the program, the entire day, a grand success, and let it be a very strong message to our young friends who will be coming and drawing those two themes, rainy day, but it's not a sunny day, right? It's a sunny day. Thank you so much. So I wish you a very good day, and we'll meet in the evening. I may not be able to come right from 4 o'clock perhaps, but I'll join you. Thank you so much. And I wish all of you good health and good cheer for today and throughout the year. Thank you so much. And may his name also remain enshrined in our hearts.
Alive and
Yeah. Thank you so much. And without the power, I think this is just right
befitting.
for today. Thank you.
And I convey on behalf of our club and all the Tagore lovers present here, I convey our heartfelt thanks to Madam Majao. Ma'am, your wordings are really thoughtful and inspiring. Hope you will be there always with us to spread Tagore's message of love, peace, and beauty. Not only in our state, throughout the country and throughout the world. Thank you each and everyone to be a part of this small program. Now we'll be moving to Jeet Bhumi. I hope you will be joining us there. Like this, a small Saran program will be holding there. Yes. Thank you all once again.